all these items that it has. It basically has a net that you can actually connect. This whole thing becomes into one big pole, and it adjusts itself, and you can connect to this net. So whenever you got big fishes or any kind of fish, you can actually scoop them up and put them in care, or you want to do something, or switch, or you want to clean the whole aquarium, and you can just change it with it. You can do this, and it's easy to change, easy to put in. I'll show you guys in a bit about how to do this. Also comes with other ones that, so basically algae, if you have in your glass, you can actually scrape it and clean off those algae, those yellow, green algae that you don't like. You just want to scrape it off. This is actually really good to use, if you can see. And you can connect. So all of these going to have a little connection into it, and you can just connect to the pole, which is this little pole, which I'll show you guys in a bit. Also, for all you people who have sand, to clean up the sand, this is actually the best one to use for just to scrape over the sand, and you can just get all the goodies of all the fish and stuff that they leave behind. So this is a tweezer. It comes also with it. Also, to scrape over the brush over the glass of your aquarium fish tanks. Really easy to adjust. What I like about this is actually you can adjust it so when you're cleaning on the corners, it can adjust itself. So when you're cleaning on the side of the corners, on the back end, when you don't like to reach. So this actually, you can actually use it to the back end. You know how people don't like using the glass in the back end, and you can clean it with these together. And for the far away parts, actually, it's really good. Also this, so basically the brush also has this adjustable. So whenever you want to maneuver the corners and the back, it's easy to maneuver and brush off all that algae, all that bacteria, all that stuff, all that ugly stuff you don't want to see on your glass. Pretty much that's it. And you get all these items on the pack 100. I'll show you guys in a bit how adjusted I use it and connect it, and then I use it. I'm here to show you guys. So this basically, it adjusts itself. So all you have to do is just, see, I can't do it with one hand, but I'm trying to do it with one hand. See how it adjusts itself? You can actually open it up just by twisting it. And what it does is that it connects this long stick onto here, which I'll show you guys in a bit. You see, voila. What I did is actually, there's an extension that you put it on there. This is actually really useful. At the end, you're going to put all these items that I got here, but I'm only going to use certain items to show you guys, and I'll show you in a bit. Show you guys, as you can see, there's a little spring onto it. So when you're connecting one of these items onto that, you push down and you twist it, and it'll connect automatically. What it does, it locks itself when you click on it and push it in. You'll see. See at the very end, I just connected. It's really easy to use. And all right, guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just already setting it up. Everything's all together. And just to show you guys, on the fish tank, you can just scrape on it, and it automatically cleans that side of the algae, all that dirt on the side. Pretty much you can use anything. You can use the net. You can use the other one to scrape, to brush off all the ingredients, all that stuff you can do.